Good morning, Standard 5. Today we are going to read Into the Future, chapter number 4, and it is written by H.G. Wells. Before going to this chapter, Into the Future is an extract from the Time Machine. Before going to this chapter, let's warm up a little. So many inventions over the year by the scientists have made our life a lot easier than before. Actually, in the past, we have not so many inventions, so at the time, the lives were very harder to live. But today, the life is very easy or become easy. Have you ever thought of inventing something? Then what would it be? Just decide and write down in your book. Okay, let's start. My friends gathered around the machine in my workshop. It was exactly like the Model 1 model. It was exactly like the model I had shown them, only 20 times larger. Here, the author of the Time Machine said, my friends gathered around the machine in my workshop. Actually, the author has so many friends. They were gathered in his workshop. It was exactly like the model I had shown them, only 20 times larger. You mean you sit in that chair, pull that lever and travel into the future? Asked my friend, the writer. Actually, at that time when they were gathered together near the machine, one of his friends said, you mean that if you sit in that chair and pull that lever and travel into the future or into the past? Then the author said, whichever I choose. And what would you choose? Ask his friend, the psychologist. One of his friend was psychologist. Psychologist, you know, a specialist in psychology. Okay, the person who is specialist in psychology is called psychologist. One of his friend, a psychologist, asked, what would you choose? To the author. Okay, the author suddenly replied, the future first, because it is unknown. That interests me the most. But when do you get to see it in action? Can we take a ride it in ourselves? They asked. They asked what? But when do we get to see it in action? See it means the time machine. When would we see the time machine is in action? Okay. Then action. Can we take a ride in it ourselves? They asked. Then the author said, not yet. I said, I still have a few things to tinker with. That means, tinker means to improve, because there are some sort of things. So the time machine wanted to, because the author wanted to add something into the time machine, then it will be ready to go. Seeing my friend smiling, I said, you may not believe me, but come to dinner here a week from now. Actually, when seeing the time machine, his friends did not believe him. It would work. Okay, it would work, and they smiling. After seeing this, the author said, you may not believe me, but come to dinner. He invited them for his dinner on next week. Okay. After my friends left, I called my housekeeper and asked her to cook the best dinner she could make for my friends next week. Actually, when his friends left the room, the author ordered or asked his servant to cook a best dinner for his friends for the next week. Okay, and he also handed her a note to give them when they arrived. Okay, the note said that, what was the note about? The author handed over a note to the servant. Okay, the note was that, I was sorry not to greet them, but I promised I would join them before the evening ended. Actually, what was the note written? He was sorry to not greet them, because at that time he was he would be busy in working with the time machine, but he promised he would join them before the evening ended. Okay, having heard these instructions, I set to work on the time machine. After giving some instructions to his servant, he began to work on the time machine. The work was very delicate. The work was very delicate means the work of time machine was very complicated. Okay, and I had to make sure that the size of the lever was just right, but the smallest fraction of an inch. Actually, there were some problem with the lever. It was a bit of inch. It was smallest fractions of an inch. It was some sorts of fractions of an inch. Okay, one lever was enough to start the machine traveling through the time machine. Pull the lever up. Suddenly he pull the lever up. It would go into the future. What is the mechanism of the time machine? If you pull the lever up, it would go into the past. If you push it down, then it would go into the future. The other lever was there, that was for to stop it. Okay, wherever he wanted, or rather whenever he wanted to. That means whenever or wherever the author of the subject stop it. Okay, so he used to use the stop lever. Okay, but he would be staying in the same spot, only the time would change. Okay, I had finished my work before 4 in the morning. That means before 4 o'clock in the morning he had finished his work of the time machine. Now only one thing was left to do. Only one thing was, though he had finished his work, only one thing to do with the time machine is to take the test of the time machine. Okay, I sat down in the seat of the time machine and looked at my watch. 19 minutes past 4. It was 19 minutes past 4 means 4:19. It was 4:19. Okay, I held my breath. I took my breath. That means, okay, and pushed the lever down a teeny bit. A teeny bit means a little bit. Okay, after sitting on the chair of the time machine, the author or the writer of this time machine, okay, pushed the lever a little bit. He felt as if was falling through the endless space. That means he was going through the space. Okay, and his stomach trying to squeeze means stop into his throat. It seems like his stomach would stop into his throat. Okay, his mouth gasping for air. At that time his mouth was open for obtaining air, trying to obtain air. Okay, quickly he pulled the stop lever. He looked around, his heart sank. Okay, when he pulled the stop lever and looked around, his heart became stopped. Okay, my coat still hung over what he saw at that time. His coat still hung over a chair. His tools were where he had led him. His workshop was just as he had left it. His machine was a failure. Actually, what he looked around the same as he had kept earlier before starting the time machine. So he thought that his work or his time machine was failure. Okay, I suppose I should have stopped then and planned his next move, but he could not wait for any longer to travel through time. So he pushed the lever down again a little harder than before. He pushed the lever second time harder than before. Time outside the time machine speed up. That means time passes through. Okay. He saw his housekeeper when the time passes through quickly. Okay. His housekeeper whizzed into the room. That means moving quickly into the room and clean it in record time. Okay, it was clear that she should not see me. Okay, I pushed the lever further down. Then he pushed the lever again down, and so the window grew dark. It was become dark. Okay, then it brightened. it was become dark and brightened. Then it darkened again. Then it darkened again. Days went by blinking the lights. Okay, like often. Okay, the days went by blinking lights. Blinking lights means जैसे कि बत्ती ऑफन होता है उस टाइप, और दिन और रात ऐसे ही पार होते जा रहा था. ठीक है. Now move to the next point. I pushed the lever down even more, and everything around me become blurred. Blurred means not clear. Here, when he interestingly pushed the lever down even more, and everything around him become blurred. Become blurred means not clear. The walls and the windows of his walls vanished. Vanished means disappeared. Okay, the machine was swaying now. Swaying means to and fro, like this. Swaying now. Okay, he wanted to push the lever all the way down, and he did. He again down the lever, pushed down the lever. Okay, around him was a world of wonders. What he saw? He saw some wonderful things around him, with huge buildings rising taller and taller, sky changing from dark to grey. Okay, to blue, bright blue, and a countryside. And a countryside means here village that grew greener and greener. What he saw? When he pushed the lever again harder, he saw some rising buildings, okay, around him, and the sky changing from dark gray to bright blue, and a countryside. Countryside means here village look like greener and greener. Okay, I looked at the dials of the time machine. Okay, dials means here watch of the time machine, which told me how fast and how far he had traveled. Okay, I was traveling, he was traveling, he was shocked. He had gone much faster and farther than he thought. Actually, whatever he thought to travel through time by the time machine, it was enough for him. That means it was far, or it was the farthest place he had ever thought. Okay, it was in the year 802-701 AD. Those huge numbers made him lose his head and panic. Panic means said. He pulled hard on the stop lever and paid the price for it. He realized that he had traveled so many ways, okay, into the future. So he pulled hard on the stop lever, okay, and paid the price for it. What was the price? The stop was too sharp and the machine tripped. Tripped means tripped over, means stopped suddenly, okay, and he was thrown from his seat. Stuned means here shocked. He lay on the green grass, okay. When he thrown out from his seat from the time machine, he lay on the soft green, okay, green grass. He heard a very loud thunderclap. At that time he heard a very loud thunderclap. Thunderclap means here sound of thunder, and a shower. Shower means rain of hailstone. Hailstone means here frozen rain. Okay, stung his face. It was impossible to see. Okay, it was impossible to see means it was raining so hard. It was raining of hailstone so hard that he could not see. He could not see properly. A fine welcome. He muted means to speak slowly. A man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit. How much distance he had traveled? Actually, he had traveled 8 lakh years. Okay, and this is the greeting, and this is the greeting he gets. This is the greeting. This type of greeting. Okay, what he faced after reaching this, after crossing 8 lakh years. Okay, it is the greeting he gets. Okay, the sound of thunderclaps. What was the greetings like? The sound of thunderclaps. Okay, a shower of hailstones. Okay, this. So Then the hell thinned means here stopped. Then the hailstones or rain thinned or stopped. The sun shone through a break in clouds, and I got my first look at the world of the future. When the rain stopped, he looked the world of future. There was wonder. Okay, this much, and the question answer will be sent soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.